Method 1. Using home remedies.
1. Give hairball paste to your cat to get the hairball moving. This type of paste acts as a lubricant for the hairball, and it is specifically made for cats. You just place a little bit on your cat's paw, and it will lick it off. Use a small strip of the paste on the cat's fur. If your cat shakes it off its front paw, try smearing it lightly underneath the front elbow. Hairball pastes come in fun flavors your cat will likely enjoy, such as salmon. You may be able to just put some on a plate for your cat to lick. In most cases, you'll need to give your cat multiple applications of the hairball paste. Treat your cat with the paste twice a day for 3 to 5 days until the hairball passes. 2. Use a half teaspoon, 2.5 milliliters, of petroleum jelly for a cheap option. This home remedy can act as a laxative for your cat, which can help move the hairball. Apply the jelly to a paw so your cat can lick it off. Try to rub it in a little so the cat can't shake it off. If your cat shakes it off, try placing it in an area that's more difficult for it to shake off, such as underneath the front leg. 3. Give your cat 4 to 6 hairball remedy treats to prevent future hairballs. You can find several brands of dry hairball remedy treats at your pet store. These treats may help your cat pass its hairball, but they work best for preventing future hairballs. Follow the package directions on how many to give your cat. These are an easy solution because there's no messy paste or gel. Your cat will often just chomp them down. Once your cat passes its hairball, continue to give it the hairball remedy treats to prevent future hairballs. 4. Try a hairball control cat food for a long-term solution. Changing your cat's food may help with the current hairball. However, it's more likely to help prevent more in the future. Look for one that claims a hairball control. These foods employ different methods to treat hairballs, such as increasing fiber or omega-3 fatty acids in the food. 5. Add a spoonful of canned pumpkin to your cat's food. Pumpkin contains fiber that may help your cat pass the hairball. Mix it in with canned food, so your cat is more willing to eat it. Other fiber options you can try include wheatgrass powder, coconut fiber powder, or psyllium seed husk powder. Mix a half teaspoon, 2.5 milliliters, or so into the cat's wet food.